guys, hope everyone is doing well because I'm also good. So in this lesson guys, I'll be introducing a zero law, but there are some of these questions there that I didn't do with this one. Yeah, I'll do them before I start a zero law there. This one is for a zero law there. So let me start by doing this thing then. You can take a number to a number. So it means that here we'll only left with negative x. This thing that become negative 21. And now pressing this thing there on your calculator, got negative 1. And take note that here, if there is nothing there, we got invisible 1. And now I know that what is in front from what I need, I divide by it. So that this will get cancelled. Our x there will be positive 1. Even as well as this one, if there is no number there, we got invisible 1. So that I can take the number to a number. So that all of this thing that's supposed to be positive 9, all of this thing that I think that it's supposed to give me negative 27. Let me try to punch them. Negative this divided plus, yeah, it's negative 22. And now what is in front from what I need, I divide by 8. It get cancelled. Our x value there become 22. Then for this one, taking a number to a number. So it means this thing, this is what will happen there. This there will become positive 6. And now when I press my calculator, I will say negative 57 plus 60, meaning that I got negative 51. What is in front from what I need, I divide by it get cancelled. Our answer there, you can press that thing there on your calculator, divided by 5. It means still there you got 51 over 5. And say SD. Meaning now in decimal place it's 10,2. Do you see? So let me introduce you guys on zero law. So a zero law, it simply says that if you got bracket A, B, C are equated by 0, you will equate each bracket there by 0 there. Do you see? Yeah. But if also guys, you should understand that if here there is a number like a constant there. So if here there is a constant number, you'll also equate it by 0. But if that thing there it's a number it cannot be equal to 0. Like 5 can never be equal to 0. It means that you should stretch. 81 cannot be equal to 0. It means that you should stretch them. The moment guys you say value there, a value it's a number. The moment you say value there, that value there cannot be equal with 0. But if you say a variable it's an unknown value like x, k, t, v2, whatever. Do you see? So all of those ones, they are unknown values. You can equate them by 0 because we'll be solving them. Do you understand? So here's this thing. This is how you apply this. Here we got bracket A and you got bracket B are equated by 0. You equate each bracket there by 0. Applying a zero law, meaning that here bracket A there it's x1 is equal to 0, say, or bracket B there it's x2 0. Then I can solve for x there, meaning that I should make x to be alone, taking that thing there to that other side, a number to a number, and means this thing there will become positive. The first answer there it's 1. Then for the second answer there, I can take a number to a number, meaning now the second answer there will become x is equal to 2. Do you see? Even as well as this one, I got bracket A, I got bracket B are equated by 0. You equate each bracket there by 0 there, which is there our A it's 0 and our B it's also 0 there. Solving for x there, taking that thing there to that other side, x will be alone, this there will be that, meaning x there will be negative 4. But for this one guys, be careful. This one you take that thing there to that other side, this thing there will become negative, which is this thing negative 5. So take note that if here there is no number, we got invisible 1. What is in front from what we need, we divide by it so that it will get cancelled, meaning the value for x there will just become 5 for them. Because on your calculator this is what you should put them, which is negative 5 divided by negative 1. All of this thing they will give you positive 5 there. Do you see? So as well as this one there, we got bracket A and bracket B. You equate each bracket there by what? By 0, say, or 0. Then you solve for x there, taking that thing there to that other side, it will become negative, meaning first answer it's negative 1. taking this to that other side, it means that thing there will become positive 6. All of this thing there, it will give you 6 there. And what is in front from what you need to divide by it get cancelled. The value for x there will be 2. Do you see? So here I can equate each bracket there by 0 according to a 0 law, which is this thing, it's 0. Solve for x, take that thing there to the other side. It become that 0 guys will just disappear there. All of this thing there will just give you negative 4 because that 0 that will disappear. What is in front from what you need to divide by it, both sides. It get cancelled. Our x there will become negative 2. Do you see? Then for this one, taking that thing there to the other side, it become negative 5. 0 will disappear. What is in front from what we need, divide by it. Cancel. So all of this thing there, it will still give you the same thing there. Negative 5 divided by 8, you got negative 5 over 8 there. Leave your answer like that there. Do you see? Then what about for these two questions then? So for this one, this thing there, it's something like this there. We got our k and bracket a there. Something like here we got k and bracket a are equated by 0. You equate each thing there by 0, say, or it's equal to 0. Our k there, it's x, meaning now this is the answer that we have. Our bracket a there is this one. Then you can solve for x, meaning your answer is 6. Even as well as this one, we got k there, and here that there. You equate each thing there by 0, say, or. But now for where there is here, for our k there, it's x there. First answer. Then for this one there, our bracket a there is this. Then solve for x. That 0 will disappear. And now what is in front from what you need, divide by it, get cancelled. The final answer of this question that will become like 1 over 2. Do you see? Yeah. So for this one guys, x is already alone. There is nothing that you can solve. You leave your answer like that. Even as well as this one, x is already alone. No need for you to solve. Leave the answer like that there. What are we trying to do here? We are trying to make x to be alone. The moment x that become alone, it means that answer that it's representing for x there, which is this answer that it's representing for x. This one represent for x. Do you see? So that's how it is, this thing. Straightforward. Thank you for your time.